What's going on, guys? Long time no see. Been a busy man. I got a new job, but what I've done is I went out, we did a fishing trip with one of my best friends, Katie. Y'all guys give her a follow over on Twitter at KT Fishes Sober. Like at KT Fishes Sober. Yeah, that's right. Give me a follow over at Bama'S Outdoors on Twitter. We had a great time. It was pouring down rain. We just had a cold front come through. The conditions were not great, but we caught a lot of fish. So we really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. And it sure is good to be with you guys again. So let's go fishing. We got small minnows, medium minnows, and big minnows. So what we're gonna do today, guys, instead of just letting you guys sit there and like wait on me to catch a fish, every time I catch a fish today, I'm just gonna put it on video when I get it in so you guys can see it. But that's what we're gonna be using. I'm gonna be using some of those big shiners, and hopefully we'll hook into some bass. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, just caught this little buck bass right down here, probably about, I don't know, 10 feet off the shoreline, using a large shiner. I mean, it barely had hit the water before this guy took it. This is actually the second fish we've caught today, but the weather's not great. We got a cool front that's come through, and it's raining and it's windy, so I'm not going to run the camera all day. I'm just going to get these fish on camera after I get them in. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go fishing. Check this guy out. Crappie. That was a small minnow, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. It's a pretty fish. Good color. Awesome. Still catching them in bad conditions, so hey, can't complain. All right, we got a double, guys. Mine's a little bigger than hers, but I was using a little bigger shiner than hers, so, but still they're pretty close to the same size.
Not really.
Awesome. As you can see, it's raining, a little cool, but we're having a good time. Hope you guys are too. Oh, we got one trying to escape. If I was a catfish, he'd be making that sound.
Cute little baby.
You're like kicking my butt today.
Now if we could find a mama.
Well, I think we'll have to change spots here in a minute and just get go to a fresh spot. Yeah. That's awesome though. It's pouring down rain and it is cold, but we are not giving up the fight. I think we got like less than half of our minnows. We had to take a break because we were both like drenched. We still got some good minnows left and back up in this cove here. Usually we do well. So hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. We're sorry it's been so long since we put out a video, but we've got a new job. So that's good. We're gonna get a big one before it's over. Ooh, got us a bluegill on a minnow. Nice one. Heck yeah. That's a fat. Let's see its stomach. That is a fatty. Good job. I don't know if you guys can see my bobber. I got it out there. He's kind of jet skiing across the water. Hopefully something will get him in a minute. Oh yeah. Come on, bud. Oh, nice one. Oh, he's not hooked real good. Come on, buddy.
Got him.
Oh. Ah. Yes. Oh, thank you. Wow. I feel better about my day now. Yay. It took a while.
Have him some food.
Oh. That's awesome. Good job. That's what we've been waiting on, guys. We got 2 big shiners left. Maybe we can get one more nice one. How many shiners you got left?
Couple.
A couple. All right, let's see if we can get another one. Whoop, she got another one. Heck yeah. Bluegills eating minnows. That's pretty cool. You know they got to be big if they're eating minnows. Good job. I'm getting skunked today, bad. My big shiners have failed me.
You caught the biggest.
Well, it's not the best of conditions either, you know what I mean? With the rain and the cold front, the fish are not very active today. I thought I'd get lucky and get a big one.
Look at his mouth.
It's pretty. All right. All right, buddy. Thank you. Catch you again. This time next year, you'll be about a good pound bigger.
There he goes.
Yes. She's slaying the bluegill. Here, my bobber. Nothing. Guess who's got another fish? She caught a bass. What's this? I just missed one a minute ago. So I'm gonna try to get her bass on camera. And keep an eye on mine too. I think that was that little guy I told you was patrolling down there.
You don't have to call him a little guy.
Okay. He's not a little guy. He's a pretty guy though. Good job. This has been a good day, hasn't it?
Yeah, pretty sure yours could have definitely eaten this one.
I'm hoping I can get one more big one. Got another one, guys. 2 big shiners left. Got my bait back too.
I stick him back in there.
That's the least we can do. You gave us a good fight, bud. We're gonna let you have the minnow back. The shiner back. All right. Thanks, buddy. See you next time. Somebody caught another one. I just put my last shiner on, guys. It was the biggest shiner that I got today. She's gonna bring her fish up here so you can see it. Crappie? Heck yeah.
Crappie day.
That's a beautiful fish. Smile says everything. See you later, bud. All right, if we get a bass to eat this shiner, guys, it is going to be freaking huge. Because I should have videoed putting it on my hook, but it is gigantic. Last shiner. Don't come off, buddy. He's not that big either. As big as the other ones, but man, he ate that giant shiner. Oh! There goes my bobber. Get up here, I got it, Lip it. Be still. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. I saw that, whoa, I saw that fish come by. And I told Katie, I was like, you're about to get a fish. And she got it. Look at that one. That's a nice one. Awesome. Heck yeah. Oh.
He's not going out.
That's freaking great. Let me grab a picture of it. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Nice little chunk. He's healthy. Pretty colors. Thank you, buddy.
Here's lunch for the last one you just had.
Yeah. At least we're ended on a good note. At least we got that on video, guys. That was my bad because I had caught several fish today. Sweet. And I did not take the time to retie again. And that was like 10-pound test. And that bass probably was nowhere near that. He was probably more like maybe 4 pounds. So.
It broke your line though.
Was it? Yeah, it didn't. It broke in the line.
Bobber.
You know what I bet that was from? Earlier today, I didn't get in the video, guys, but we were sitting here and this big old turtle came up next to me. And I was watching my bobber from way out come closer and closer. And I'm like, man, my shiner's like really moving a lot. But that turtle had come along and started pulling up against that line. And I think that weakened my line. But so it is what it is. We've had a great day today. I can't even tell you how many fish we've caught, but we were fishing with some small shiners and some big shiners, and I have used all of mine. But either way, I just want to say thank you for watching. And again, don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button, and we'll be back out again soon doing some more fishing. Yeah. So as always, guys, you know what that bird was saying, don't you?
Fish on.
That's not all. God bless and happy fishing. See you next time, guys.